We are at 1019 South 35th Street in South Omaha. This is a 2-bedroom unit. Quiet neighborhood. It's the entryway. It's the shared space with both units. It's the living room. This unit has fresh paint throughout, as well as refinished hardwood floors. It's the hall. There are a couple of closets. This is a small coat closet right off of the living room. And then there's the linen closet as well. This is the kitchen. The kitchen's brand new. New flooring, cabinets, as well as the backsplash. Nice kitchen. This is the bathroom. New tile around the tub surround and floor. New vanity. First bedroom. Again, new paint throughout. Refinished hardwood floors. It's the closet space.